good, good, good. Like my honey, like my honey. Women, women, women. Like my money, good, good, good. Like my honey, like my honey. Women, women, women. Like
Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back in to Nizzy's Playhouse. It's your girl Nizzy and I'm back again. This time I'm doing a review and mini tutorial on the Colourpop's Honey. So here is the palette right here. This is $12 on Colourpop.com, so make sure you guys check this one out. They have a series of colored ones. This one is the yellow palette, and it is $12, and you get 9 different shades. You get a pressed glitter, some mattes and some shimmers, and this huge mirror, and it's very compact. So this is $12, and I created this look today using this. I will say my overall thoughts on this palette is that, like, I don't like it. I hate to say it. I don't know if I like the pressed glitter, the one that you see, the one that you see, but as far as everything else, when I was putting it on, you like can't really see it, so what's the point? I mean, and I know how yellow eyeshadows are. I mean, some of the shades in here are very pigmented and bright, but then some aren't, so it's like, well, what kind of look can I create using this palette, so this is the look I created using this palette, and then I had to go in and dig in another palette and get a darker brown to kind of make everything come together. But I'm not a fan of the yellow one, honestly. But I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches for you guys so that you can see, the colors and everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that at least. You guys see it's not really showing up that good. So yeah, I don't really too much like this palette. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have this palette. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments box. That is it for today's video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for more makeup reviews and tutorials and swatches and stuff, and let me know if you guys want to see more of that. So yeah, and as always, thanks for watching. All right, y'all, so here is the palette and everything. Gorgeous, right? Like, yeah, I just started off with that brown shade, and I'm just kind of like putting that in my crease area. I'm using the back and forth motion because, like I said in the previous video, like I said before, you cannot see these colors like at all. So I'm really trying to just build this color up as best as I can. And I know it's kind of showing up a little bit white because my lights are whitewashing it, but it's there, but it's really not there. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm just blending it out. Just making sure that I blend that color out on the edges so that it gives that blown out effect. You guys know you have to blend for your life when you are doing your eyeshadow, so you definitely got to do all that. Now I'm going in and I'm applying this darker shade into my outer corners because I was trying to achieve a halo eye. So I put the darkest shade in the outer and the inner corner, and as you can see, like, dark where? Like, it was not dark at all. I kept looking in the mirror like, what the fuck? Like, so I definitely had to use another palette and give me like a darker brown, because like this palette needs help. Like the dark shades, they should have put some blacks or some dark browns in this palette, but hey, I'm not one to complain, you know. So now I'm going in with the Colourpop concealer. This is in the shade Fair 02, and I'm just putting that directly in the center of my eye just because we are creating this halo eye. So I'm carving that out, and I'm kind of like stopping right where my pupil is on both sides. like, if that makes sense. I'm not going like all the way in. I'm just like going in the center. Now I'm applying this yellow shade, and like this shade is gorgeous. Like this was one of the best shades in the palette. Like that yellow is popping. Do y'all see that? So I'm just packing that on, and like it was very pigmented, and yeah. So now what we have here, I did go back in with that, the shade that I put in my crease area, just to kind of, you know, lighten up the edges so that it isn't so harsh, because with halo eyes, like, you want it to be like, you know, blending seamlessly or some shit. I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I was just buffing out the edges here. And now I'm going in with that pressed glitter pigment, the one that's in the center. And I just used my finger to press this on, because I noticed that when I used a brush, it would like get stuck on the brush and it wouldn't like come off. So yeah. So that is the end result. I did use the e.l.f. liquid liner to create my wing liner off camera, because y'all know I be struggling. And that is pretty much it for this look. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like this palette, if you're gonna try this palette. And as always, thanks for watching.